In today's video, I'm going to teach you resetting a Todoist project by manually deleting tasks. If your project has gotten cluttered and you want a clean slate without changing any settings or moving to a different workspace, this simple approach will walk you through clearing everything out. We'll keep it straightforward and focused so you can get back to planning with a fresh, empty project. First, go to Todoist using your browser or the desktop app and sign in if you aren't already. Give the app a moment to load your workspace. You'll see your sidebar with projects listed on the left and your task list in the main area. Make sure everything finishes syncing before you begin so the changes you make are saved correctly across your devices. Next, open the specific project you want to reset. Click it in the sidebar to bring up all of its current tasks. Take a quick look to confirm you're in the right place, especially if you have similarly named projects. Once you're in, you're ready to start clearing it out. Now move your cursor to the first task in the list. When you hover over a task, you'll see an icon with 3 dots, often called the More or Overflow menu. Click those 3 dots, then choose Delete. If a confirmation appears, confirm the deletion. That removes the task from the project immediately. Repeat this for each remaining task in the project, one by one, working your way down the list. If a task has subtasks, delete them the same way. Some interfaces will let you remove a parent task and its subtasks together. If you're prompted, confirm so everything tied to that task is cleared. For recurring tasks, deleting the task from the project will stop that item from appearing there going forward. Take your time and keep an eye on the little undo banner that appears after you delete. If you remove something by accident, click undo right away to bring it back. Once the undo option disappears, the deletion is permanent, so it's worth pausing for a second to be sure you're removing what you intend. Continue until the project list is empty. You'll know you're done when no tasks remain, and Todoist shows the empty state for that project. That's it. Your project is now fully reset and ready for a fresh plan. From here, you can start adding new tasks with clear priorities and due dates, confident you're building on a clean foundation. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly reset Todoist project.